this year is build one another, diba?
Hey! Korean friends! 1, 2.
But in 2 Timothy 4 verse 7 it says, I have fought the good fight, I have finished the race, I have kept the faith. Diba? So bakit yun yung ginamit ko? Because our core values beginning 2024 is abbreviated by I race. I race. Si Quest, and of course yung internal team natin that organized this, si of course Abby, Marvy, Patrick, sa t-shirt natin na umabot